Okay, so in this video, I give you a little bit of help on the group discussion work. Okay, so basically ask you to find out 6 equations. Which 6 equation? You have A, B. I'll finish one for you. Okay, A, B, A, C, and B, C, and A, D, and B, D, and C, D. A, B, A, C, A, D, B, C, B, D, C, D. To have another one, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll have 6 I'm going to just choose, say for example, if I do AC as the feed line. So if I use AC as a line, now if I use AC, for example, if we just do AC. If I do AC, which 2 points are not on the line? It's very obvious. B and D are not on the line. There is a deviation here. There are deviation here. Okay. So first, what I do, I need to find out the line for AC. The equation line. I have 2 points, 1, 2 for AC. 8 point, C point, and 8 and 6. What is the line pass through 1, 2, 8, 6? You can use point slope formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now you can use either one of the points. You can use 1, 2 or 8, 6. Now if I use 1, 2, I will have 1 y minus 2 equals x minus 1. But what is the slope? Okay, what is the slope? The slope, there's a formula for the slope. Slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 6 minus 2, y2 minus y1. x2 minus x1, 8 minus 1. Now, what is my equation? Is simplified more. Y equals 4 divided by 7. So it's 4 over 7x minus 4 over 7. Add 2 on both sides. Okay, so add 2. Then the equation is simplified as y equals 4 over 7 x minus, okay, plus. So this is 14 over 7. This 2 simplified is 10 over 7. This is the equation for AC. In the same way, you can find all the equation for AB, BC, AD, BD, CD. Okay, I will continue with this one. We have not finished yet. Because we find the equation for AC, we're not done yet. We find the equation for AC, B and D are not on AC, are not on this line. There are deviations for B and D. Okay, so first the deviation. There is a deviation here, A. There's another deviation here, B. What is the deviation? Deviation for B, okay, deviation for B, okay, delta Y, just say deviation Y for B. Okay, AC, still under AC line, is the original Y value for B is what? The original Y value for B is 2. What's the value of this Y? What's the Y point of this one? What's the Y value of this B prime? If I use this as a B prime, what is the Y value of B prime? What's Y value of B prime? You have the X value, which is 3. You have the linear equations given, okay, 3, and the equation, linear equation. So we can find the Y value of B prime, okay. So basically, the deviation of Y will equals A, will equals B and B prime, which is the Y values, difference of Y values. The B value is 2. The B prime Y value, you have to plug the 3 into the equation here. So it's 4 over 7 times 3 plus 10 over 7, which is 14 over 7 minus 14 over 7 minus 3 over 7. Let me check, double check it again. So it's 4 minus that together. This 2 is together. My 2 is the original Y value. This is the B prime Y value. the difference of these two y values are the deviation, which is a, which is 22 over 7, and which is 8 over 7. Okay, so now we are done with the deviation of b. Now we have to do the deviation of d, which is b. Okay, it's going to be, you can do another d to a d prime. So d and d prime is, the y value is 8. Original y value is 8. But in the function y value, this d prime y value, you have to plug 11 into the function. So 4 over 7 times 11 plus 10 over 7, which is the deviation of that, the y values. So subtract those two, 8 minus 44 plus 54 over 7, which is 56 over 7 minus 54 over 7, which is 2 over 7. Now, together, okay, in total, a plus b at the total deviation is 8 over 7 plus 2 over 7, which is 10 over 7. So now we're down for AC line. Okay, first we find the AC equation, then you find out the deviation of b and d. Because b and d are not in the equation, you find this. So next you need to continue with AD and also BD. Repeat this whole process again. Repeat this. Repeat the AC line, find the equation, find the deviation, add them together. Repeat the whole thing together again. Then you're going to have 6 in total deviations. You're going to have 6 of this deviation value. Whichever is the smallest one is going to be the best fit line for all 4 points. The next question is, can you find another line which is even better than AD or BD, AC? Can you find another line which is even better? Okay, give you a smallest, very very small fit deviation. So if you can find another one, okay. So now I think, in my opinion, AC might be the best fit line, but you have to check it out. Check all 6 lines. Okay. So I'm done with one line. So you have to finish all the rest of 5 lines. Okay. Thank you very much.